Welcome to our channel. Food pantries provide emergency food assistance to individuals and families facing food insecurity. Follow these step-by-step instructions to locate food pantries and food banks in your area. Step 1. Visit feedingamerica.org and use their Find Your Local Food Bank tool. Enter your zip code or address to identify the regional food bank serving your area. Step 2. Contact your local food bank directly for a comprehensive list of food pantries in your community. Food banks coordinate with hundreds of partner agencies and maintain updated directories. Step 3. Call 211 from any phone to reach United Way's helpline. Operators provide information about food pantries, meal programs, and other emergency assistance in your specific area. Step 4. Search Food Pantry Near Me on Google Maps or other mapping applications. Many pantries maintain updated listings with hours of operation and contact information. Step 5. Check with local churches, community centers, and nonprofit organizations. Many religious institutions operate food pantries regardless of recipients' religious affiliation. Step 6. Review eligibility requirements and operating hours for pantries you plan to visit. Most pantries have limited days and hours of operation, and some require appointment scheduling. Step 7. Gather any required documentation such as proof of address, identification, and information about household size and income. Requirements vary significantly between pantries. Step 8. Visit the food pantry during operating hours. Bring reusable bags or boxes for transporting food items. Most pantries allow visits once per month or week depending on their resources and policies. Ask about additional resources like SNAP application assistance or meal programs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.